I remember meeting Nisrin for the first time and knew that from that moment that she is the perfect one for Armand. I have never seen my brother laugh like that and smile like that when he's with you. To my beautiful sister-in-law Nisrin, welcome to the family. As you are such an amazing person, I am sure you are going to be a wonderful wife. We really do absolutely cherish you and appreciate everything you have done for him and for what you will be for him. Armand, you have been a caring brother and a lifelong friend. The feeling of your happiness brings so much joy into my heart. You did your duties by being the best brother. Now it's time to do your duty as a good husband and be the best life partner to your wife. Protect Nisrin not because she is a responsibility, but because she is a treasure. Never let her beautiful smile fade away. Wishing you both a blessed marriage filled with lifetime of love and happiness. I love you guys very much. Thank you.
Kita berikan tepukan paling gemuruh untuk Ophelia juga. Dan terima kasih sekali lagi tahniah kita ucapkan kepada
keep one eye open through the night and bring the fire into my heart. But if I knew where I should go, just say that you won't give up hope. You were the greatest thing I've had. We've come too far to lose the war and lead me home. Lead me home. Yeah, your heart is the only place I'll go, only place I'll call home. And you cannot go away from it all and be where you are, not get lost in the fall. You'll find me here waiting for you. Yeah,